Welcome to the online statistical analysis tool, that is OPStat. It is a client server application which facilitates the researchers to analyze their research data online. In order to use this package, you have to open the web page of CCS Haryana Agricultural University Hisar. That is, you select any browser, and in that browser you just type www.hau.arnet.in and you will see the web page of CCS Haryana Agricultural University Hisar. In this web page, at the bottom of the screen, you will see online statistical analysis tool OPStat. Click on this link. It will take you to some another page where you have to opt one of the two options: online campus user and off campus user. On campus users link for those people who are in our intranet, whereas off campus user are those users which access this page through internet. So you go for, I select on campus user since I am a intranet user of CCS HU Hisar. On clicking on this link, you will see the OPStat home page. Here you will see various buttons for various statistical tools such as one-factor analysis, two-factor analysis. These are for factorial experiments, three-factor factorial experiments, correlation and regression analysis. Then 6 modules of biometrical methods such as generation mean analysis, line into test analysis, diallele analysis, partial diallele analysis, path analysis, and stability analysis. This package provides a online help file with each and every method. So before analyzing your data, you read the help file of that particular method. For example, if you go for one factor analysis such as say CRD, RBD, you click on one factor analysis, then in right side you will see the help file of this tool, whereas on the left pane you will see a space where you can enter the data. Data entry is very simple. For your convenience, I demonstrate the data entry with the help of an example. Suppose you applied 3 treatments in an experiment in which each treatment is replicated 4 times, and you recorded the data for plant height as well as yield, and this is your data. So how, in order to see whether the treatment means differ significantly or not, we go for one factor analysis and we enter the data like this. For example, all the replication of first treatment, that is A, enter the data like this: 1 2 3, then put a space, 1 2 3, again 1 3 1, again 1 3 3. Means all the replication of first treatment must be entered in first line, and these replication must be separated by at least a single space. Then for second treatment, enter the data 142, 149, 147, 134, and in the similar manner you can enter the data for treatment C: 147, 172, 143, and 139. After entering the data for first character, you can enter the data for second character, that is yield, just below the first one, that is 25.0, 23.0, 24.3, 26.5. Similarly for treatment B, 28.5, 24.9, 27.3, and 29.2, and 41.3, 42.5, 41.3 and 46.5. So you have entered the data for two characters, that is plant height and yield. After entering the data, submit this data for analysis. This will take you on another screen. Here you have to specify the number of treatments. In this case we have 3 treatments. Number of replication we have 4, and number of characters, that is plant height and yield, 2. Then select your design. You can select RBD if your layout is in randomized block design, or CRD, completely randomized design. So in this case data is for RBD, so I select RBD. And if you need certain transformations such as square root transformation and angular transformation, you can select the appropriate option. Otherwise no transformation is by default. After giving the required parameter, just click on the analyze button and your analysis is displayed in a separate page, in which you will see the analysis of variance table for plant height and analysis of variance table for yield. Then you will see the tables of mean, standard errors and CD, in order to compare which means differ significantly from which means. Thank you. Yeah.